Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see front view, top view of this triangular pyramid, and it is getting cut in top view like this. So we need to draw sectional front view, top view and development. So first I will draw this much portion dark. After cutting, this much will be dark. There are 3 points: PU, PB and PV. See, triangular pyramid is like this and it is getting cut like this. So PU when you draw, this is PU dash. PV when you draw, this is PV dash. And this point PB. So that you can do it with side view, or you can take parallel to base method. In that, what I have to do? I'll draw parallel to base. Wherever it will cut, from that point I'll go up and then I'll draw horizontal line. See, this way. So this is point PB dash. And this will be hatched. So we are done with sectional front view and top view. Now we need to draw development. So for development we need true length. What I'll do, I will draw horizontal line from O. I'll take OC and rotate till that horizontal line. Then I'll go up and I will join this. So this is true length. Now generally people, they do it from here only, or they do parallel line. But in exam, what if I have left less space on the top side? So it's always advisable to do it on the side. Take the true length, cut on that vertical line, and then you rotate. This is the easiest way to do it. Take A to B. The only problem with the earlier method, if you do next to your front view, there is a possibility that you won't be able to fit it, or you leave enough space on the top side. So this way we did development. This is A, right? Then A to B, B to C, C to A. After that I'll take this cut points over here and then I'll rotate. I'll take this distance and rotate, right? So I'll get point PB. PB is here. Now I need to find PU and PV. So take A to PU and from A you cut it over here, and take from C to PV. You cut it over here. So this is PU, PV. Then you join this. So this is how you'll get development. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.